Hello. Welcome back, everyone, to another stream, another devlog, and this is devlog number 5, stream number 5 for the game Blockopolis. And as you can see, the scene looks slightly different. That means there has been work done on the game. There has been work done on the game. So yes, as usual, a lot of things have been changed in the game, and just to give you, the change notes or the build notes or the devlog notes or behind the scene notes. um, there has been some bug fixes, there has been some feature addition, there has been some 3D model changes, assets have been updated. So there's a lot of things that got changed behind the scenes, and I'll tell you each one of them while we start playing the game. So let's play the game. Let's go. And yes, let's go. Building is done. Let's select a card and let's unlock a building. Here you go. The paint shop has a visual change. Also, you can see some markers coming off on the edge of the screens. Those are the off-screen markers. These were the things that we were talking about in the last stream, and here you have it. Basically, now I can see what the next tetro is, and see there is a building that requires that particular color, and just click on it and it will take me to that particular building. That's like a insane feature, I would say. Makes the game very easy to play, and also, the the paint shop looks quite different. So you have something interesting here. Now I know red. I can see a few buildings here, and I can see, like, let's say if there was a buildings here, and then I like, okay, red is not here, but there is somewhere here. Then I would need to click that building. Also, you can technically play the game without moving the camera and just with the help of your mouse by just touching these, like taking a cursor on top of the building, and the building would come into the focus. So that's like crazy feature. So let's go, and we have blue here. Blue fits. We don't have yellow, so let's go to the paint shop, color it blue, and then go to blue and just put it there, and the goal is done. Nice. Now I am waiting for the stash building. Now where is the stash building? Where are you? Where are you? Woo! And this is how the stash building looks like. This is still a work in progress art, I would say. This is not a finalized art. This is something that we are trying, and we are seeing if it is working for the game or not. What do you guys think about the art now? What do you think about the art? How does it look? Is it looking good? Is it looking bad? What do you think? All right, we have blue, we have yellow. Yellow 11 is needed here, so I can click on it. And wait, where is 11? Oh, this guy. There are bugs in the game. No, okay, it clicked the wrong building. No, it's clicking the wrong building. Okay, it's bugged out. This is bugged out. The off-screen markers are bugged out. Uh, Let me just write it down. So I just noted it down, and okay, let's continue playing. Also, there is a bug that the hide object viewport does not hide the trees, which is also a bug right now. Alright, I am gonna put it here. Then we need red, but we don't have red. So let's go to the paint shop, put it red, come back, and then put it here. Yeah, alright. Yeah, got it. Alright, so now our agenda today is right now the special building cameras are I would say too zoomed out, too zoomed in, and we need to zoom them out. So let's go to the special buildings and let us open them. Selectable building, workshop building. Where are you? Yes, you are here. Visuals, building camera, minus 22.5, front position, back position, and that is what we need to update. This is supposed to be minus 17.5, and this is supposed to be 17.5. So this is the workshop building, and then let's do the paint shop building as well. uh let's quickly do that. Minus 17.5, 17.5. Stay, let's go. Then future tetros, which is the construction building, let's do that as well. Go to the building plot, front position, minus 17.5, 17.5, save it. And let's just see first that it is looking good or not. So let's spawn in a building, special building. Let's spawn both of them and let's click and see. Yes, this is, I think, the perfect number. um I would say I need to bring it down a bit. I would say, yeah, I think I need to bring it down slightly, because on the edge it's like getting hidden away. And let me just open the selectable building camera. 17.5, and why is 2? Why is y 2? That I don't know, but I think so. I need to. Okay, now someone is forcing it to be a 2. Who is forcing this guy to be at 2? Hmm. Who is forcing this guy to be at 2? Let me. Someone is forcing this guy to be at 2. I am not able to find that right now. Wait a second. All right. Let's just quickly first like, we, as you can see right now, I am just opening prefabs, and then you can see that we have a lot of special buildings. Like, we had a lot of special buildings, and that's like insane amount of features that is not added to the game yet, but we do have it in the pipeline. So yeah, all the building special building camera positions are updated, and that would mean that I need to just commit my changes. So let's quickly commit our changes before we lose them. special building, future Tetros, workshop building, and paint shop building as well. We also have a shape shop building, so let's do that as well. That is not added to the game, but it is better. Oh, it is already at that particular value, so that's crazy. Did I do that? I did that, I think so. Yeah, I did that. All right. Let's just commit our changes. Special building camera view. All right, so that is committed. Now, moving on. I actually really wanted to change the city UI. Like, I like the UI. I'm not saying I don't like the UI, but it takes a lot of my screen space right now. And what I would like to do is modify how this particular thing works. So, what we will do is we will first create an image, like create a screen, all right? And we need a back button here. So okay, let's give it an area of this much back button. This should be smaller in size, of course. Like this is just a icon would also be fine, but then icon is not something that everyone understands. So yeah. Now, you want to show the current number of population that you have and the uh, mm, next population that is required, and then you do require a slider there. So, um, and you have city level as well. Now, what I am thinking is this much of an area. Okay, you have 1,000. Okay, you have 100 here, and let's say you have 500 here. Okay, you have a slider which is fine, and what we want to show is the city level. So where do we show the city level as well? um City level can actually come here. Mm, let's show the city level there. I think so that is a good place to show the city level. Yeah, I think so that's the good place to show city level. Like city level, and then bricks left. So bricks left of course needs a space in itself. um Maybe bricks left. um mm, yeah, bricks left. Okay, let's just keep it this way itself right now. Let's just modify certain things, which is population, okay, top panel, yeah, city level upgrade, that guy. Mm-hmm. Okay. Everything is messed up, but fine. Now I want it to be and as well. No, I cannot have it that small because it's a three-digit number, right? Actually, cannot have it like that. Make it very 170, 170, but consistent. 150. This also has to be 150. Uh, I will position for this guys soon. It's supposed to come here. Why the hell this is bigger than this guy? Okay, it is different. The scale cannot be or replicate. I would. Now it looks fine. It cannot have rotated this way. About population minus 40 and then 25 with 72. I would say copy, copy 70 to 75. We need 70 to 75. And yes, I am messed up. Yeah. So this is what we want, but we slightly can't. Okay. So far, so good. Now we need to work on the slider. Now slider has a hmm, and with, height is what? Let's go with 30. Make it slightly more thicker, and then put it up because I want to put city. I don't want this description. I don't want the description because the player already knows what this is, and I think so. The slider should actually come from side. I think so. Let's just see how it looks. Let's just see how it looks. Ah, uh, we do one thing. God, a panel. I apply. Yeah, slider population, slider thing is something that I want to work on. Left bar is okay, fine. I think so. This is done. Now, what I can do is I can just go inside this slider population. All right, and I actually just want to see how it looks. So I am gonna move slider above, and I think so. It looks deep. Uh, yes, it does not look bad, I would say. Uh, yeah, let's keep it this way. Let's keep it this way. Okay, let's keep it this way. And then we wanted to show the city level. So city level can be shown here itself. I background actually because that is where everything is. And then city. No, it just show like 19 for now. Let's keep the 24. Uh, could actually say city level or something like that. Will and then big. How it looks in the full screen mode. Yeah, it does not look bad. I would say this does not look bad though. To move this guy slightly to the right. All right. City level does not look bad. So that means I need to get the city level upgrade thingy. Then city level. I need to read to. I need to listen to. Okay. City level. Okay. I need to listen to this guy. Now I'll show you how Unity Atoms works. Int event reference listener. No, wait. Int event reference listener. Yeah, it is an int event, right? So I need to wait. What? No. Oh, wait. City level. City level is here. So I need to go to this guy. I need to add component int event listener, and then this needs to be this variable city level. And then I need something that we have made called update text. It took the current one, city level, and then hyphen, and then this guy, and then on this we will call this guy and update text with int value. Now let's just play the game and see how it feels like, how it looks like. I would say it looks decent. City level looks good. The text here does not look that good. I don't know why. Hmm, okay, never mind. Let's just commit our changes before we lose that particular part. All right. Let's go. Let's commit our changes. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what's happening. And I need to push city UI, of course, and then I need to push city population slider. And I think so. I need to save and put. Let's push the scene as well. No, I do not think I do not need to push the scene. I forgot. So it's called city top level population UI change. Okay, let's commit our changes. Changes are committed, and let's move to this guy now. Now, mm, I feel so this particular area. So city. Okay, this is fine. So, mm, total brick left counter. This guy, right? Now, I think so. This can also be smaller and kept it on the right hand side of the screen, so that the center of the screen is like not occupied. I would say. Um, let's see if it is looking good here. Keep it at 350. I think 350 would be decent. What was the width of this guy? 22 and 70. 80. Oh, no, 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 we cannot have it for the left. My bad. I'm looking for city population slider. It's 380 by 72. So I need to have it. No, I need to have this guy as 350 and 75. 350 and 75 is what is this guy's thing, but it is. It cannot be that much. I need. It's slightly reduced. Okay, this is I think perfect value. It down a bit, and this looks quite decent, I would say. And I'm not gonna touch it any further. I don't know if this looks good or not, but yeah. Okay, let's quickly commit our changes. No, 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 I need to push my change first. My bad. All right, city UI, it's called bricks left UI. Okay, I'm gonna commit the change as well. Now, this guy, I feel it's too big. Um, Also, next brick is like a redundant thing to show because we already know what is there. So, where is next brick? Bottom bar. This guy. Tetro camera UI. Yeah, this guy. Now this guy has a visual has next is tetro brick. Next tetro brick, I don't think I think it's redundant. First thing, because uh let's just disable it. There is a background. So what I'll do is I'll move the entire thing up. This way I actually have slightly more screen space, I would say. Like I get slightly more screen space, not that much, but yes, it is something. And that's That's it for sky tetro. I'm just gonna move it at zero. Okay, zero actually looks good. This is fine. So let's commit our change. And then we do not want retro camera UI at all in this case. Uh, yeah, I think so. This makes the uh, game slightly, you know, cleaner, I would say. Yeah, let's commit our change. Let's quickly commit our change. I want to scale that thing down as well because no, let's keep it this way because it's if it is too small, we won't be able to understand what it is. So let's call it next. Okay, because mayor can obviously tell what's happening where, and yeah, thing is committed. Let's move to the next one. Uh, we do not have much UI here, so um, how to play is also redundant. So that's fine. City level up. I think so. That's fine. Um, all right. Let's play game now. That goes away. I mess something up because the game is not working for me right now. Oh, console has iPhone not set. Okay, never mind. Let's just play and see if it is still broken. It seems to be broken. What did I break? Um. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong keys. My bad. I am pressing the wrong keys on the keyboard. I am pressing caps lock and stuff, and I'm like, why is it not spawning? And I'm like, okay, okay. It is working, guys. It is working. My bad. My bad. Okay. I'm gonna go into this guy. Uh, Tetris plot and something called in the visuals there is something called the timer. Next plot, next block timer. Now this timer. Okay, let's just hide it. Tetris building next block. Okay, I want to move it. I want. Oh my god, I don't want it to happen like this. Uh, Canvas is here. I want the timer to come here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is the place that where I want the timer to come, and I now know where to find, what to find, and where to place. So timer text is what I want. Now the text is there. I can move over where is keep it in the center and minus 150. minus 75. I think so. That's the correct place. Height is 45. Want the timer to actually hide. Current timer left. Current timer left. Next brick in 0. And if it is 0, I want it to hide. And if it starts again, um, so I want a conditional check. Now, how do I do the conditional check? Now, let's see if we have something for that. Advanced setting, conditions, condition, atom condition. Is lower or equal 0. On condition met. What happened? That let's just see if I am on the right track, or else I do not think I'll be able to do it this way. But yeah, fine. Let us see now if it is nicely in the center or not. So let's play the game and let's check it out. It is slightly towards the right. I want it to come in the exact center, and I need to get the exact values because this is not in the center at all. At all, not in the center. Uh, who got moved? This guy got moved. No, this guy got moved, and I need to move it left. I think yes. Minus 175 would be the right value for it. Okay, 170. Let's go with 170. No, 165. Yeah. Let's put it 165 and let's be done with it right now. For now, it is not the correct value. It is not exactly like it is there in the center, but it is not there in the center of the building always, because the camera moves and we do not know where the camera moves, like because the camera exists itself for you know the Tetros, so we cannot always have it in the center. I think so. I think, and then let's also update the font because it is a different font. Okay, let's now commit our changes to the uh, text component. Apply this guy. Let's apply this guy, and then let's apply this guy. All right, now let's quickly commit our changes. Okay, next retro timer, our changes, and yeah, now this is what we have worked on UI today and also on the camera. Now I would like to move one more thing around, and wait, I need to commit. I think so. I did not save, and I need to commit the building again. So let's quickly commit it. Tetris building prefab, and I want to move this guy in the center as well, but not in the center. I want to move it up here because this guy goes away. So where is this guy? Yeah, this is where he is. Come here, my friend. And yeah, I think let's just play and see if it looks good. Yes, it looks decent. It comes and it goes away, which is I would say fair, but it is too big right now. And I'm like, okay, okay, let's just put it there and let's call it a day. Okay, let's call it a day. Let's be done and let's call it a day. Yeah, let's you go and get yourself updated. All right. Let's quickly commit city level upgrade. Do I? Yeah. And I think yeah. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. And it has been a good stream so far. What do you think? How it looks? Yeah, I would say it's quite decent, and I like the game so far. And you can play the game in the description below. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you all in the next stream. Bye bye.